Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Today's wig tutorial is gonna be giving naturalista big hair don't care vibes, and I am here for it. Now this is an 18-inch Jerry Curl human hair headband wig from the company Luvme Hair, and man, has this company been all over my Instagram and Facebook with their ads. So when they reached out to me to sponsor this video, I was like, yeah, I got to try your wigs. Let me know, have you been seeing this company all over your social media too? Now let me show you real quickly all the goodies you'll get along with this wig. Now this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. The texture of this wig was super soft with tightly coiled curls. It features 2 combs at the side, 1 at the back, along with an adjustable stretchable band with the usual Velcro to secure this unit on your head. Now, as I always try to do, I'm gonna go in right now and wash my unit, and I'm using my White Rain moisturizing shampoo just to cleanse the unit and to make those curls pop. Anytime you have a curly unit, it's always good to give this a cold wash or a nice little shampoo before you put her on your head and style, because that way curls are really gonna be pronounced and juicy and bouncy. Alright, so let's get to trying on this unit. Just take a minute though to look at the curls on this baby. The curls are popping, y'all, and that's all because we pre-washed her and gave her a light condition to make the curls stand out. At this point, I've tried on like more than a dozen headband wigs on this channel. It's basically the same thing. You put it on like a hat and you secure your Velcro straps at the back. I'm just showing you guys right here that there is no excess band, because sometimes y'all, these headband wigs the construction is poor, but this one was really secure. It did fit my small frame head pretty nicely, and I'm using my pink headband that came in my package. I really love this headband, y'all. Like, the quality was really good. It's like a satin silky material. Going in right here with my Aussie Hair leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner. Now what you guys need to do is just lightly dampen the hair, and I know it was just washed and conditioned, but we're gonna go ahead and put some leave-in conditioner so that we can have a little moisture for when we are raking through the curls and fluffing them out. You do not want to do that when the hair is like completely dry. You might encounter tangling. So this is the comb I'm using, and I just lightly go through the curls and just fluff them out with my fingers along with the teeth of the comb. So this part does take some patience, and it's based on personal preference and how big you want this hair to get, because baby, if you fluff this, or even worse, if you take a brush through the curls, you're gonna end up with a big afro. I really didn't want like an afro look, but I just wanted it to look more like kinky curly type of vibes. So I know that this is called Jerry Curl hair, but you know, I just wanted to fluff and have a little bit more volume, so I'm just gonna continue to do this. So to help seal in the moisture that we just applied with the water, I'm using my Garnier Fructis anti-frizz serum, and this is my favorite like oil to apply to curly hair. It really helps with keeping it moisturized, giving it that shine, and it kind of helps with it tangling as well, in my opinion at least. I'm almost out, so I'm about to have to get me another bottle. Are y'all ready for that slow-mo? Are you ready for that slow-mo and my infamous shake? I think I'm about to shake my hair, y'all. And look at that body. Look at body. This unit is so thick and fluffy, and it's giving me all the natural hair vibes. Not that my natural hair would really ever grow this long, but you know, it could, you know, if I wanted to try out the natural game. But in the meantime, fake it till you make it, honey. And I really, really love this unit. Okay, so even though this is a headband wig, you still have the option to do multiple hairstyles. Let's go ahead and try out a few of them that I would rock when I'm going on the road with this baby. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button before you go, and it will make me even happier if you were to hit that subscribe button, honey, and be a part of my budget friendly beauty and fashion family over here. Don't forget as well to hit me up on my Instagram page. It's at @AnneZelvanino. The link to purchase this wig along with all of the products that I used will be in the description bar, so please check out the description bar, and you can also interact with me in the comment section by asking me anything you want. Until next time, bye.